So it's been a while since I've uploaded a YouTube video. I kind of forgot how to do this, I guess. Well, welcome to the Next Wave of Digital Video. I'm your host, Tony Reale. And yeah, I got a new camera, FX6. Been waiting on this thing for a really long time. Ordered it back in April, May, something like that, and finally showed up about a month ago. Did my first shoot with it, liked it, and you know, just was going on YouTube here to watch some other great people's videos on how to use it, what they recommend. Kind of reminded me again the early days of when I was on YouTube. It was 2007, 8, I guess, was when I first got into YouTube, and there weren't a lot of people out there doing it. Now there's a lot of great people doing that. I was watching one of Gerald and Dunn's videos, watching Alistair Chapman. He's got some great videos on Sony workflow. And yeah, I mean, you know, if it had been, I don't know, 3-4 years ago and I had just gotten this camera, I would have been cranking out YouTube videos. But life is just crazy right now. I mean, I'm sure it is for you guys, COVID and everything, but just trying to stay relevant, trying to figure out ways to keep businesses afloat. You know, you guys saw, you know, a few years ago that we had opened up a VR arcade, and you may have watched our videos on that. We're still open with that, but COVID really made things difficult, for sure. And one thing we did was we added a gamers lounge, and that's still kind of under construction right now for us to do esports tournaments and stuff like that. So that's been something that maybe I'll give you guys a tour of that at some point. You know, one thing that I got into was crypto. Got one of my mining rigs, actually. It's the first time in a while it's been shut down. Otherwise it would sound like a server room in here. But keeps the place nice and warm in the wintertime, that's for sure. I don't know, I mean, things have been just all over the place. And, you know, I know that I've got, at this point, over 90,000 subscribers, and you guys have been great. I hope that our content over the years has been something that has helped. But I remember when I first started YouTube, there was barely anybody doing it, and now there's so many great people doing it. Anytime that I need to look something up, there's about 20 videos already of any topic that I could look up. And I felt that I don't want to add to the noise. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just cranking out this video right now. It's been such a long time. Obviously, my hair is a bit longer. I've been on keto and lost about 50 pounds because COVID really caused me to pack some pounds on. I got into flight sims. I was on a shoot several months ago and got a chance to fly a Cessna, which was a lot of fun, and kind of got the itch. So I built a new gaming rig in this Borg cube here. It's my little adjustable light stand. Whoop. I use this for like web chats. I can just set it on my desk right here and raise and lower it. Makes things a lot easier for when I'm needing to do a quick web conference. I'm shooting on my ZV-1, which you guys know I did a review on a while ago. Love this thing. And also great that it works as a webcam now. But yeah, I got into to flight sim. I crammed a 5950X in here along with a 3090 and running a Pimax 8KX with flight sim. It's pretty sweet. We're renting right now until we can build our house. And this is the only spot I got to put this thing. Don't have any room in the basement of our rental. But that's my life right now. It's been kind of all over the place. Still shooting video. Still my main passion. Still my main business. The arcade's doing decent. Like, I don't know if you know, but this is my view when I open my door here. There's the arcade. This is the VR side of things. Another thing that we added, I guess I'll give you a little tour of. We added more VR space. Over here, we've got Xboxes set up for esports stuff. And then over here, more booths. more VR. And then over yonder, we've got the esports. So that's been my year. I'd like to take you guys on some behind the scenes tours of shoots that we've done, but a lot of the shoots we've been doing are little small projects. It's one of the reasons I got the FX6. A lot of times I don't have the luxury of bringing an AC on shoot, and some of the auto functionalities of this camera have just been amazing. The autofocus is super good. I can't believe how good that is. Just the picture right out of the body has been really, really great. I love my red, don't get me wrong, but I've been able to cram in this case everything I need to shoot, lenses, microphones, all that kind of stuff, everything except lights in a tripod. And I can just go out with this one case and shoot quite a bit. If I'm shooting in my red, it's going to be 3 or 4 cases and usually 2 or 3 man crew. So, yeah, I don't know. Just thought I'd update you guys for those that have been sticking around for the years. We've got a few projects. We're actually working on our first retainer for a client. See if that comes together. I have no idea if it will. We're putting together a presentation, fingers crossed. They're the ones that reached out to us about it. Retainers are an interesting process. I don't know if any of you guys have done them, but you gotta make sure that you're not leaving any work on the table and that expectations are met, and that you have a good relationship with the client if you're going to do a retainer. So we're going to see how that goes, and if that comes together, we're going to have some really, really cool projects to do. So I'm going to try and take you guys on behind the scenes of that. But yeah, it's me, Tony, NextWaveDV, signing out. Hope to see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for being a part of the channel over the years. Really appreciate it.